Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own font online. So if you want to create your own font, then here's how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open your browser, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in fontstruct.com. Then you will get to this website and you will probably need to create an account. Just create an account, which is really straightforward. Once you've created your account, you need to verify your email, and once you did, then you will be at this page where I am at right now. Then what you can simply do is you're going to go here at My Fontstruct and going to click on New Fontstruction. Then you need to name your design. I'll name mine Test123 and you can click on Start Fontstructing. Now here is where you can actually create your font. I'm not going to create an entire font because that will probably take hours. However, you can draw any letter you want. For example, this is the A because I'm currently on the tab A. If you want to go to B, I just do the B, and it's really straightforward. If you want to do the S, you type right here. If you want to do the 8, you do 8. If you do the exclamation mark, you just do the exclamation mark. That was wrong, but that doesn't matter. You get the point. And once you have created all your fonts, you can also create other ones by using a lot of templates right here. For example, this and this. Your imaginations can go as far as you want. It's really, really cool. But do note it does take some time to create and understand the entire program. Then, once you think, well, my font is done, I can now actually import it into an actual font, then all you need to do is click on download right here, and you're going to click on download now. Now you will get this zip file that you've probably seen a lot more, because there's an actual zip file that once you unzip it, you can see right here that I'm getting an indet.ttf file, and this, of course, we all know that this is a font file, that if you install it, your font will actually be installed, and you can use it, for example, on Premiere Pro or on Photoshop. It might called a little bit different on Windows, but it's the same thing. Then all you need to do is you click on open it, either on Windows or on your Mac, and it's going to probably validate, and then you're going to click on install, and then your font will be there, and that's how you can create and use your own font. It's quite a cool program, and yeah, I'm definitely going to check out some more programs just like this. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.